What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode, Kart Smart TV. This video is going to be a little more informative instead of a repair video, but I'll try to toss in a little bit of what it takes to repair in a situation like this. So, we are working on a 96 Club Car DS. It's got the Kawasaki in it, like all normal gas carts this year do. And to prove that it's a 96, we're going to go right here under the dash, and boom, you can see right there the two numbers are your year model. Okay, that being said, this customer, very knowledgeable person to be able to repair what happened to his golf cart. The thing is that when he bought the parts for the golf cart, put them on, the golf cart still didn't operate properly. So what I done when I got the cart is I looked at everything that he put on it, matched it to what the year model says, and it was supposed to be right. Well, I did some digging through the rest of my serial code there and found out that it's actually one of those 96 years that Club Car did a redesign to the electrical system for basically the 97 and newer golf carts. So if you have a 96 and you need to replace something such as like your limit box or your coil or any of that in the what makes the spark plug fire, you're going to need to check if you have the old system or the new style system. And one way to do that is that you're going to have to pull off this bracket right here, go from the valve cover all the way down, and you're going to see that limit box on this bracket. And here, I'll show this to you now. Alright, so that limit box is strapped to that bracket just like that, right? Okay, so 96 and older, on the back of your bracket here, you can see this little piece right here where my thumb is touching. Okay, in the 96 and older models, that does not exist. It's going to be this. You can see that pretty well. This is the igniter for the 96 and older. Obviously, in my endeavors here, I have learned that this is a 97 operating system. And so when you are dealing with the 96 that has the 97 operating system in it, you're going to find that the coil has the igniter built into it. So the 97 and newer operating system does not have this on the back of the bracket, and it is wired differently. You will be able to tell right off the bat two different type of plug-ins on from the 96 and older to the 97 and newer that are in the limit box. So on the limit box, on the 96 and older, you're going to have a female spade that plugs into the igniter, and then you have the a bullet connection, both male and female, on your little white wire. It's a white wire that's got a black stripe. It runs right down by underneath the exhaust. Of course, I've got my exhaust removed, but your exhaust turns and goes back that way. So that wire runs right down in here. And so you can see now that I have my 97 and newer limit box. Right here is its connection. Both connections for the 97 and newer and the 96 and older has a female spade and a bullet connector that operates the system. So if you're dealing with a no spark issue and you have the old system, the first thing you want to check is on the back of that plate is you want to put in a new igniter to see if you get your fire back. Some cases the limit box is causing it to not get fire. And what you'll do in testing that is you'll remove this brown wire from its ground position, and if you get your fire back with this brown wire removed, then this limit box has got a problem with the grounding circuit inside of it. And then obviously the final and last one, which is the more less likely candidate, but it's going to be your coil that you'll have to replace. So, like I said, it's going to be more informative instead of a repair. Those three items control the spark to the spark plug for the engine to operate properly. And as always, guys, if you have any questions on these videos that you see, please feel free to reach out to us on the channel, and of course on our phone number there. It's located on our channel somewhere as well. Reach out to us. I will be happy to answer any of these questions that you may have about this situation. But just be mindful that your identification tag could say 96 but have 97 or newer style operating system in them. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit that notification bell for all the new videos that we're going to release in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'm sure there are plenty of videos that could help you out with any of the issues that may arise in your golf cart to be repaired. As always, thank you so much for watching the channel. God bless you all.